I had a few people saying that they will love to see what's in my kit, and I have finally able to record and edit this. As a one-woman show, there is no one, literally no one, to help me log around my kit, and that is why it's essential that I minimize as much as possible for the item that goes into my kit. And with just being one person, I later have to carry my kit, lights, and chair all by myself. So having a smaller kit really helps me get from job to job. Now in this video, I'm going to walk you through what's in my kit and how I pack it for my weekend gig, because that's when I do most of my applications. So this right here is my Glamcore Elite X. I just wanted to show you guys what my light looks like. I'm not going to unpack it. Just wanted to show you that is what I use to get my going. So moving the bad boy out the way, I like to set down my skincare first, because I like to lay a towel down before I even start in popping out any other items from my kit. In my kit, I have a handy dandy trash bin. It's very portable. It's so neat. And I carry along with that a roll of trash bag. And I both got those at the Dollar Tree. Yes, you guys, at the Dollar Tree. So it comes really handy, especially as I'm going. I could just throw my trash in there. And when I'm done, I could just pop that bag close, and I keep moving. Now I like to stand everything up so it's easy accessible for when I'm working, and I kind of just lay that kit to the side. Now my kit, I absolutely love my kit. This is a two-parter kit, but I like using the top part because it's so much efficient for me, you guys. And then top there is all my lipsticks that I have. I have a range of colors, and I like to just kind of put my light bag behind it to kind of prop it up so that when I'm ready for lip application, is really accessible for me to use. Now my favorite thing about this kit is this trays, you guys. I could just slide that in there, slide that open, and I can use that to stand up anything that I want to stand up. And I like putting my brushes up there, and that's just right there is my tools. And I'm just going to set that to the side here until we're ready to put that in front of the kit for us to use. Now the bottom part, you took the thing from the bottom part, and I use that to put all my mascaras, my primers, my eyeliners, lip liners, and eyebrow pencils in there. And I also have some clips just in case anybody needs to clip their hair back. I can use those clips and I can clip their hair back. Now I have my false lashes in that bag and in that case there, and I kind of just lay that to the side until I'm ready for it. Next is my brushes. Can't go anywhere without my brushes. And I like this bag because it holds so much brushes, you guys. And I like using a pencil holder to put into my tray to hold any brushes that I'm using. And I just kind of lay the rest of the brushes to the side until I'm ready for my next person. I never use the same brush twice. And it's time consuming, and I like just keep it going. And then this is the rest of my skincare, and I kind of just put that into my skincare kit. In there is lip balms, mascara wands, and you name it. In that bag right here you see me holding is the rest of my knickknacks, any rest of mascaras, concealers, you name it. I just kind of throw it in that bag, and it helps if I need anything extra. Now I have my Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Foundation. Yes, I absolutely love this foundation, girl. You need to get you some. And then I also use my Black Opal. I deposited it into a container that I also found at the Dollar Tree, and it just comes in handy for when I'm doing my applications. I can just scrape that right out. Now I have my Profusion color palette, and I absolutely love that because it has all the colors in the world. You can't go wrong with that. And I have a rest of the foundation and some blush from Crayon Case Cosmetics, and then my Black Radiance contour palette. Yes, you guys, I absolutely love how my kit is set up. These are my palettes. I don't know why I have three, but I have three 3 of them in there, but hey, each one of them serves a purpose, so I'm not going to lie. But yeah, this is my kit. I absolutely love my kit. It comes in handy. It helps me be prepared and set me up for life, you guys. For life is now getting it all back in there is a struggle. I will tell you that, because I don't know how I get all these items in there, but I sure do when it comes to packing everything up. So yes, I really hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask me. I will also leave a PDF in my link bio just so you can see what I pack up in my kit here. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the purple stuff that you see standing are my powders. Yes, those are my powders that I use from Urban Decay, that was given to me by one of my beauty coaches, and I absolutely love using those. Those are comes in so handy. And if you would like to see me using them, just feel free to leave me a comment below. Be like, yes, sis, I want to see how it works, how it looks, and I can do a video for you on that. But yes, this is my kit. This is what's in it. This is how I pack it, and watch me repack everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next video, I'll talk to you later. Bye.